Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with chapter 10, Simple Interest. So, let us understand with some basic concept of the simple interest, and we need to understand the relatable terms related to the simple interest. Your first term to understand is the lender. Now, who you may call the lender? The person or institution that provides money funds to the borrower. Example: a bank loaning money to a borrower is an example of a lender. Now we will see the next term, and that is borrower. The person institution that receive money funds from the lender. Example: a person who gets a loan from the bank is an example of a borrower. So now you may have understood that what is the lender that gives the money and borrower who takes the money. Now our next term is principal. The loan amount borrowed from the lender. Example: if a person borrows $1 lakh from a bank, the number of years within which the borrower has to pay the loan. Example: a bank may give the borrower 10 years to pay off a loan of $1 lakh. In this case, terms is 10 years. Now, what will be the rate of interest that the bank will put on the principal amount? The what is rate of interest? The interest rate charged on the principal. The lender receive interest on the principal that is loaned to the borrower based on this interest rate charged. Okay. For example, the bank may decide to charge an interest rate of 10% on the principal of $1 lakh loaned to the borrower. So it is maybe 10.5% or 9%. So we have understood that what is the borrower, the lender, then the principal, which it is telling that it is the sum of money with the lender which the lender gives to a borrower. Now, and the rate of interest is maybe at 10%, that is put on the principal amount. Now see the formula of simple interest. Simple interest is equals to PRT upon 100. In an example we have seen that it was $1 lakh, or you can take 1 lakh rupees also, and the time was 10 years and rate was 10%. So 10% is equals to 0.10, means 10 upon 100. Then simple interest, put the formula PRT upon 100. Okay. Uh, in the formula it is written PTR. So that really doesn't means PRT upon 100 or PTR upon 100. So now it will be rupees 100 per year. So total interest is 100 rupees per year for 10 years. Now the amount will be principal plus total interest. Now let us see the question based on the simple interest. Question number 1 is saying that find the amount of a loan of rupees 3000 at 4% per year, and the time duration is given is 5 years. So we will write the things first that are given in the question. So solution. So principal is being given to you, that is 3000. Then rate is given that is 4%. Okay, then time is given, and that is 5 years. Clear? From here we can take out the simple interest. So simple interest is equals to PRT upon 100. That will be, now put the values, 3000, rate is 4, and time duration is 5 upon 100. Clear? So the zeros will be cut. Now 5 fours is 20, and 20 in multiply by 30, that will be rupees 600. Clear? Now in the question, look, that question is asking to find out the amount. So as I have told you, that formula of amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal was 3000 and interest is 600 rupees. So your answer will be rupees 3600. I hope you have understood. Now let's see the second question. Now let's see the second question. Second question is saying that you have to find the interest on rupees 800 at 6% per month for 9 months. So in the solution we will write the things that are already given. So the given portion is principal is rupees 800, then rate is 6% per month, and time is 9 months. Okay, now see, since rate is 6% per month, okay, since rate is given to you 6% per month, so time will be taken in months only. Okay, if it would have given in years, so we will convert this, okay, by dividing it with 12. Okay, so first understand this thing only, because the rate is given according to months, so that's why time will be same. So simple interest is PRT upon 100. So principal is 800, rate is 6, and time is 9. So this will be cut. Now 8 6 48, and 48 9 is rupees 432. So I hope you have understood.